And you can see here that people are making money on this website consistently. 100, 277, 207. Now all you have to do is just go to... What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can earn $5 or more per minute by simply uploading files. I'm also gonna share a bonus strategy so you can earn even more money with this, and we are going to announce a winner from the previous giveaway, and we're also going to have a new giveaway in this video. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell also, so you can be notified every time I upload a new video about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, and a lot more. Alright guys, so as I said, I'm gonna show you here how you can earn $5 or more per minute by simply uploading files. But first, a disclaimer, results are not typical. Use this information at your own risk. But if you skip out any part of this video, you might not get any results at all. So make sure you watch the whole video here so you don't miss out on any important information. Make sure you subscribe to my other YouTube channel also, which is my IM Tips. It is related to internet marketing, make money online, and a lot more. You're going to find a link at the top and in the description below here. And if you are interested in making a full-time passive income online, make sure you check out my #1 recommendation in the description right here below as soon as we finish this video, of course. Before we proceed, let's have a look at the winner of the previous giveaway here, and then we have to move on to see how we can earn money by simply uploading files. Alright guys, so this was the video where I show 9 of the best PayPal earning apps right now. If you haven't watched it, make sure you watch that video also, because it is a great way to earn money with apps. And I had a giveaway where one winner are going to get access to my own course, which is Daily List Profits. You can see it right here. It is about how to make $100 a day online and building an email list for free. And basically we are going to grab the link here of the video, and we are going to the random comment picker. And let's see who the winner is today. Alright, Arsalan Khan, congratulations my friend. All you have to do is contact me and I will make sure that you get access to Daily List Profits. Now, regarding today's giveaway here, I'm going to announce it later on, so make sure you stick till the end here and watch the whole video here. But for now, let's have a look at how we can actually get started to make money by simply uploading files. Alright guys, so basically let's get started here to have a look at first at the site, and as I said, I'm going to share with you the whole strategy on how you can do this. Now this is uploadship.com. It is a new site. I haven't shared this before here, and basically you can see here that if I scroll down a little bit, of course you upload files for free. It is worldwide, and let's have a look at the make money section here. So how it works is like this. There is actually 2 options here. There is a free version and there is a paid version. So you can see here we are interested in the free account, and you can see here we earn $5 here for the upload. All right. Now this is important because they do have a referral program, and you can actually earn 5% of each sale you refer to this site in 2 ways. You earn 5% for any users which register for an account and upgrade using your affiliate ID, and from users which upgrade to download files within your account. So this is super cool, and we're going to take advantage of this also. So let's proceed here on how we are going to do this. Basically, the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to type free PLR make money ebooks, because we want to have an ebook that we are going to give away for free. And this is just an example here, okay, at free PLR downloads. But do your research and go ahead and download that ebook. And it's going to be in a Word format, but you can actually copy and paste it in Google Docs. which I have here right now. Now I just took an article here for the demonstration purposes to show you how this works. Now what you're going to do is you are going to grab different links, not only one, but you're going to grab a few links from different sites. And these can be sites that I have shared in the past. For example, GrabPoints. Here's how you can make money for free by watching videos. We have TimeBucks, for example. And of course, you're also going to have that referral link from the uploadship.com. So you're going to grab a link, and basically this is how it works. You can see here you insert a link, okay? And here, so when you have your link, I'm just going to, as I said, it's going to be for the demonstration purposes. The next thing you do here is when you're ready with your link, I mean, look at this. Here's another way, also by simply watching videos. So let's insert a link here also. Okay, so let's go for grabpoints.com, but it's going to be your referral link, all right? So as I said, this is for the demonstration purposes. And when you're finished with this, you go to the file and you are going to download this as a PDF, okay? So when you're done that, you go back here. Okay, so now we have uploaded the file here, as you can see, and you can just right click here and of course you're going to copy the URL. And if I just download it here, so I'm just going to demonstrate for you, and I open it up, look at this. If I click here to earn passive income, of course I'm going to be redirected to my site, okay, because that is what I had, but you're going to have your referral link there. All right, so now we have everything in place, almost. So basically we are going to copy our link, you can see here. And now what we are going to do is we want to share this, because that is how we are going to make money, of course. So what we are going to do is we're going to Facebook. You're going to type make money online. You want to search for groups, and you can see here that there is tons of groups here. Look at this, 93,000, 11,000 and so on there. So I'm just going to open up here the Earn Extra Income Online. You can see here 219,000 members. All right, people are actually posting here every single day. Now pay attention here, because this is important. So what you do here is you open up this, and you are not going to share the link. But what you're going to do is you're going to write a smart copy, and you can add an image also. And it can be something like this, all right? Who else wants to make free passive money online in 5 different ways? And that is, of course, you're going to have 5 different links there. So if you have 5 links, you can earn commission from 5 different platforms passively, all right? So you can see here who else wants to make money worldwide and free, comment below free. You want people to have them comment below, because otherwise Facebook might ban you. And it is a better way actually to communicate with these people, because they are going to be engaged and they are actually going to click and check out this, so they are going to download the file, all right? And you can see here real quick that people are having huge response only on this group. So go ahead and use this, of course, in a lot of other groups as well. So there you have it on how you can earn $5 or actually more by simply uploading files. Now this is a great way to make some extra money, but if you want to learn how to create a full-time passive income online, making money while you sleep, or while you're out and shopping, or how about making money while you're on vacation, to be able to spend time with your family and your friends. If you're tired of your 9-to-5 job, feeling stressed, overwhelmed, having a boss yelling at you, if you want to make a change and have financial freedom and to start to live your life on your terms, then check out my #1 recommendation right here below. Now let's have a quick look at today's giveaway here. You should have watched the whole video here. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it already. Make sure you share this video by clicking on the share button, and most importantly, you need to comment. Otherwise, I can't pick you as a winner, of course. 3 simple steps: like, subscribe, share this video with someone, and also make sure that you comment right here below. If you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. I really appreciate it. Make sure to check out my #1 recommendation on how to make a full-time passive income online right here below. Make sure you subscribe to both my YouTube channels also that you're going to see at the end screen here. Hit the notification bell and check out the other Make Money Online video recommendation. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.